discuss the different automobile body styles. We know that most common parameters for classifying different automobiles are purpose of use, capacity, drive, number of wheels, fuel used, steering. Now let's discuss the classification of automobiles based on their body styles. This classification is mainly done for car bodies, transport vehicle bodies, and two-wheeler bodies. Let's first discuss the different body styles for cars. Car bodies can be broadly classified into three categories: closed cars, open cars, and special styles. Now let's discuss each of these car styles one by one. Closed cars. There are mainly 5 types of closed cars. Saloon. These cars consist of 2 or 4 doors, a single compartment with 2 rows of seat, a fixed roof, and a separate luggage space at the rear. In USA, such cars are also known as sedan. For example, Honda City, Tata Indigo, etc. Hatchback. These cars are similar to saloon cars, but have a door at back. For example, Hyundai i20, Maruti Suzuki Alto, etc. Coupe. These cars consist of 2 doors and a single row of seat for 2 persons. For example, Hyundai Genesis Coupe 3.8, Nissan Skyline GTR, etc. Limousine. These cars consist of 6-seater or bigger passenger compartments with a separate driving compartment and are often driven by a chauffeur. For example, Cadillac One, Lincoln MKS Limo, etc. Fastback. These cars have roofs sloping down at a smooth angle to the tail of the car, and there is no door at the rear end. For example, 1967 Rambler Martin, 1968 Mercury Monterey, etc. Open cars. There are mainly 5 types of open cars. Sports. These are relatively small, low-slung cars with high-performance engine and excellent handling. For example, Lamborghini Aventador, Alfa Romeo, etc. Convertible. These cars have soft folding type roof and special wind-up design windows, so they can be both opened or closed. For example, Cadillac Eldorado, Jaguar XK140, etc. Semi-convertible. These cars have a roof, where a retractable textile cover often acts as a large sunroof. They are also known as cabrio coach. For example, Ford Eiffel, Fiat 500C, etc. Coupe convertible. These cars have a rigid roof, which can be retracted inside the lower part of the vehicle body. For example, Volvo C70, Lexus IS250, etc. Special styles. Other than closed and open cars, there are mainly 2 special styles of cars. Station wagon. These are saloon cars with passenger roof extending to the rear end with a rear door for loading. They are also known as estate cars. For example, Plymouth Reliant, 1996 Buick Roadmaster, etc. Sports utility vehicle. These cars have large tires, higher seating, and more ground clearance. Such cars mostly have a 4-wheel drive system. For example, Tata Safari, Toyota Fortuner, etc. Now let's discuss the different body styles of transport vehicles. They can be classified into 4 types. Van. These vehicles have seats at the front and luggage space at the rear. The side doors are usually of sliding type, and the rear door is used for loading or unloading. For example, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, Daewoo FS Lublin 3, etc. Truck. These are heavy goods carrying vehicles with twin wheels attached to the back axle. For example, Tata Truck, Ashok Leyland Truck, etc. Articulated vehicle. These are also heavy goods carrying vehicle with the front tractor providing the motive power and the back trolley carries the goods. Tractors, etc. Bus. These vehicles are used for carrying large number of people. Less luggage space is provided, but there is adequate space for the passengers. For example, Mercedes bus, Tata bus, etc. Now let's discuss the different body styles of two-wheelers. They can be classified into 5 types. Standard bike. This is the basic form of a motorcycle, also known as street bike. For example, Honda Dream Yuga, TVS Phoenix, etc. Sports bike. These are high-performance bikes. During driving, the rider has his hands low, feet backwards and the spine inclined forward. For example, Ducati 1198, Kawasaki Ninja, etc. Tourers. These bikes have large bodywork with a very upright and comfortable riding position. For example, Honda VTX 1800 T2, Harley-Davidson Road Glide, etc. Scooters. These are two-wheelers with small engines, small wheels, and a configuration allowing the rider to ride with both feet on the running board. For example, Honda Activa, Yamaha Ray, etc. Mopeds. These vehicles have a lower capacity engine and are called a hybrid between bicycle and motorcycle. For example, Honda Hobbit PA50, Hero Poke, etc.